In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Photoshop project as a PDF. First, make sure your project is open in Photoshop and everything looks the way you want it. If you're preparing something for print, it's a good idea to confirm your document size and resolution beforehand. But once you're ready, we'll create a PDF copy without touching your original design. Head up to the top menu and choose File, then Save As. This is the safest way to keep your editable Photoshop file intact while exporting a separate PDF version. In the dialog that appears, look for the Format drop-down. Open that list and select Photoshop PDF. This tells Photoshop to export a PDF that's compatible with common PDF viewers while maintaining as much quality as you choose in the next step. If you don't see Photoshop PDF right away, scroll the list. It's alongside formats like JPEG and PNG. Give your file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and choose the folder where you want it saved. Adding something like print or web to the end of the name can help you keep different versions organized. When you're set, click Save. Photoshop will open the PDF options window. At the top, you'll see presets designed to make this easy. Choose high quality print if the PDF will be professionally printed or needs crisp detail. This preset keeps higher resolution images, embeds fonts, and generally produces a larger file that preserves fine edges and gradients. Choose smallest file size if you're sharing the PDF online or by email. This preset compresses images more aggressively and reduces resolution to keep the file light and fast to download while still looking good on screens. If you want to fine-tune, you can adjust compression settings, downsampling large images and choosing a medium to high JPEG quality usually balances clarity with size. For print, keeping images at 300 ppi is standard. For web, 150 or even 96 ppi is often enough. You can also decide whether to retain Photoshop editing capabilities. Leaving that on makes the PDF larger, but allows you to reopen it in Photoshop with layers. Turning it off creates a leaner, share-ready file. If you need to control access, the security options let you set permissions like restricting printing or editing, or requiring a password to open the file. Only enable what you actually need to avoid confusion for recipients. When everything looks good, click Save PDF. Photoshop will process your document and create the PDF in the location you choose.